继续来看荷兰籍的游轮爆发着汉他病毒的疫情，有7个人感染着，其中有3个人不幸死亡。这台游轮目前停伫非洲维德角共和国的外海，讲当地政府考虑着防疫，是拒绝这个游轮挖港，而且禁止所有的乘客来落船。目前150个游客要调离的船顶。
I am currently on board the MV Hondias, and what's happening right now is very real for all of us here. We're not just a story. We're not just headlines. We're people. People with families, with lives, with people waiting for us at home. So if you're seeing coverage about this, just remember that there are real people behind it. And that this isn't something happening somewhere far away. It's happening to us right now.
画面这人叫做 Jack Rosmarin， 伊3月坐荷兰籍游轮为阿根廷南部欧斯荒野出发，这座航程讲过南极自然探索，船顶拢总150位乘客。想袂到升到半中站，有济旅客开始咧不爽快，嘛济人过身。南非卫生部证实，死者包括一位70岁荷兰籍先生，伊4月10日伫咧圣赫勒拿岛过身，伊69岁太太后来伫咧南非机场准备转飞轮机回国时昏去，送到病院嘛救无活。另外一位德国籍的旅客是伫咧5月7日伫咧船顶嘛过身。目前还有一位英国籍的查甫人伫咧南非治疗。
So most of the virus are normally transmitted through rodent droppings, and it's usually in specific kinds of environments. There is a less common variant that occurs in South America that is associated with human-to-human transmission. And based on the Argentinian history, etc., and the travel history of these individuals, we will still do the confirmation to see whether it is a South American variant.
风潮阿苏号目前停靠伫咧维德角北阿港外海，但是维德角共和国因为安全的考量，暂时拒绝游轮靠岸登陆。世界卫生组织嘛确认，船顶可能有出现汉他病毒的病例。旅客嘛今日当希望这一场海上飞机会当赶紧收煞。
Hello， 我是庄慧琪。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。